Welcome to Raaonline. So now we are going to see about the features of the nasopharynx. First feature is the nasopharyngeal tonsil. This is the nasopharyngeal tonsil or a pharyngeal tonsil. It is an aggregation of lymphoid tissue below the mucous membrane, and this pharyngeal tonsil projects downward, forward as a conical mass. It is usually prominent in children. When enlarged in an infection, it is called as adenoids. So it can cause obstruction, the nasal respiration. So the children will present with the mouth breathing. Features of the nasopharynx. In the lateral wall, we have the pharyngeal opening of the auditory tube. It is a triangular in shape and it is 1.25 centimeter behind and below the posterior end of the inferior nasal concha. So this is a tubal elevation which is got upper and the posterior margin of the auditory opening. So this is the auditory opening and this is the tubal elevation. And we can also see the tubal tonsil. The tubal tonsil is a submucous lymphoid collection which overlies the tubal elevation. So in the nasopharynx we have the pharyngeal tonsil and also the tubal tonsil. Pharyngeal bursa. What is this pharyngeal bursa? It is otherwise known as pouch of Laska. It is a mucous diverticulum that extends upward into the substance of the nasopharyngeal tonsil from its apex. Pharyngeal hypophysis. This is another feature of the nasopharynx. It's a glandular tissue which is similar to adenohypophysis of the pituitary gland present on the roof of the nasopharynx. So, floor of the nasopharynx. What happens to the floor? It communicates with the oropharynx through the pharyngeal isthmus. What is this pharyngeal? This is the pharyngeal isthmus. What is the boundary of the pharyngeal isthmus? This pharyngeal isthmus is anteriorly is bounded by the soft palate, laterally is by the palatopharyngeal. This is the palatopharyngeal arch, and posteriorly by the mucous elevation of the pessiment ridge. So, this is what? This is the pharyngeal or the nasopharyngeal isthmus. So, it is bounded anteriorly by the soft palate, laterally by the palatopharyngeal arch and posteriorly by the mucous elevation of the pessiment ridge. This is again the posterior view. What are the mucous folds you will see here in the nasopharynx? One is the salpingopharyngeal fold and the salpingopalatine folds. There is a pharyngeal recess or fossa of Rosenmuller. This is the fossa of the Rosenmuller. Okay, this is the Eustachian tube orifice. So, this fossa of the Rosenmuller is a mucus covered depression, deep depression behind the tubal elevation.